Creamy, rich, and buttery. This is the kind of mashed potatoes you dream about. Start by peeling and cleaning the potatoes, then cut them into small cubes. Make them as even as possible so that they cook faster and more evenly. Place them in a deep pot. Add in some salt to season the potatoes from the inside out, not just on the surface, then top with cold water. Starting cold means they cook through evenly, edge to middle at the same time. Let them boil on low until fork tender. For the garlic rosemary infused batter, add some butter to a saucepan. Mince in a few garlic cloves for a deep, mellow garlic flavor without any of that sharp raw bite, and finely chopped fresh rosemary for an earthy, fragrant leaf that pairs perfectly with the batter. Melt on medium-low heat and let the aromatics infuse for about 3 to 4 minutes until the garlic turns soft and golden. Add in fresh milk or heavy cream for a creamy, silky finish. Bring that to a boil to infuse. Drain the potatoes. I don't mind mine with some of the steam. If you want yours fully dry, let them sit uncovered in the hot pot for a minute or two so that the extra steam escapes before mashing. Now mash them while still hot. Add the warm garlic rosemary butter mixture a little at a time until they are fully mashed and every bit of it is worked through evenly. Taste and adjust your salt and finish with some freshly cracked pepper. They are creamy, buttery, and full of that garlic and rosemary flavor in every bite. This is the kind of side that quietly steals the whole dish. Pair it with a roast and some simple salad and you're set.